Hello, are you feeling tired, lacking in energy, or having trouble losing those extra pounds? Perhaps you're worried about your cholesterol or facing digestive problems. If you answered yes to any of these questions, you're in the right place. Imagine finding a simple, natural solution that's already in your kitchen, ready to transform your health. Today we're going to talk about ginger, a powerful ally that can help you lose weight, reduce cholesterol, and improve digestion. Stay with me until the end of this video, because what you're about to discover could literally change your life. What about you? Is ginger part of your diet? Where do you use it? What part of the United States or the world are you from? Write in the comments below. Take the opportunity to like the video, subscribe, and activate the bell so you don't miss any health tips. Let's go. Modern life makes us so busy that sometimes we don't have time to prepare home-cooked meals. We end up resorting to ready meals or even ordering fast food from a restaurant that doesn't offer healthy food. How many times have you skipped a meal or opted for a burger or pizza because you were in a hurry? Then you felt bloated, gassy, and indigestible. Let's face it, no one likes a heavy belly, right? It's estimated that 20% of the world's population suffers from chronic digestive problems. What's worse, more than 40% of the world's population has high cholesterol, an important risk factor for heart disease. According to the World Health Organization, WHO, around 31% of deaths worldwide are caused by cardiovascular diseases, heart attacks, or strokes. And you know that high LDL cholesterol can clog the arteries and cause a heart attack or stroke. Imagine your arteries as roads. If they're blocked, the traffic doesn't flow, and then comes the traffic jam, or rather, a heart attack. And even knowing this, many people end up resorting to fast food for convenience's sake. That's why it's important to know how to balance your diet and take care of your health. Now, let's get to the secret that could change all that. Did you know that ginger can help here? That's right, that tuber that looks like a strange root. But don't let its appearance fool you. Ginger is a real superhero in disguise. I'm going to talk about the 9 health benefits of ginger. Benefit number 1. Lowers cholesterol. Ginger acts as a powerful ally in the fight against cholesterol. Gingerol, the main bioactive compound in ginger, helps reduce bad cholesterol, LDL, which can stick to the arteries, forming fatty plaques. Studies show that ginger can reduce cholesterol levels by up to 30%. Benefit number 2. Improves circulation. Ginger improves blood flow and reduces the risk of heart attack by promoting healthy and efficient circulation. Gingerol also has anti-inflammatory properties that help protect the heart and its blood vessels. Benefit number 3. Smooth digestion. Ginger is excellent for digestion, relieving the feeling of bloating after a heavy meal and helping everything to work as it should. It acts as a personal trainer for the digestive system, ensuring smooth and efficient digestion. Benefit number 4. Strengthens the immune system. Ginger has antiviral and antibacterial properties that help strengthen the immune system. Studies show that ginger can reduce the incidence of colds and flu by up to 60%. Gingerol and other compounds in ginger help fight infections and promote general health. Benefit number 5. Relieves nausea and motion sickness. Ginger is known to help relieve nausea and motion sickness, and is especially useful for pregnant women and people undergoing chemotherapy who feel nauseous due to the drugs. Benefit number 6. Being a natural thermogenic. Ginger can be used as a natural thermogenic to help with weight loss, increasing metabolism, and promoting fat burning. Exactly that little bit of fat you've been trying to lose for some time. Benefit number 7. Treats muscle pain and menstrual cramps. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties that help treat muscle pain and menstrual cramps. So if you experience a lot of cramps or muscle pain, ginger can help. Benefit number 8. Reduces blood pressure. There is a myth on the internet that ginger can increase blood pressure, but this is a lie. Several human and animal studies have shown that consuming ginger can reduce blood pressure levels in various ways. One study of more than 4,000 people found that those who consume the most ginger, 2 to 4 grams a day, had a lower risk of developing high blood pressure. And the 9th benefit, blood sugar control. Research indicates that ginger can help control blood sugar, which is very important for those with diabetes or prediabetes. See how interesting it is. It helps control blood pressure, diabetes, and cholesterol. Wonderful. Not to mention that the bioactive compounds in ginger, such as gingerol, have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. They protect your cells from damage and improve your overall health. So the next time you see ginger on the shelf, remember, it's much more than just a spice. It's a true ally for your health. But be careful, not everything is perfect. There are some important precautions when using ginger. First, interaction with medicines. Ginger can interact with medication, especially anticoagulants. Always consult your doctor if you are taking medication. Second, side effects. In high doses, ginger can cause gastrointestinal discomfort, such as heartburn and diarrhea. Third, avoid supplements. Ginger supplements can contain very high doses. Prefer to use the root fresh or powdered in your recipes. How do you consume ginger to get the most out of it? Don't worry, I'll tell you all about it. First, I'll show you how to choose fresh ginger. Choose ginger with smooth skin, without wrinkles and firmer to the touch. Avoid ginger with spots or weak points. To store, put it in a plastic bag in the fridge, where it will keep for up to 3 weeks. And what is the best way to consume ginger? Is it best fresh, dried, or powdered? Ginger can be consumed in a variety of ways: fresh, dried, powdered, or even as a supplement. Chewing fresh ginger during meals is the most effective and healthy way. When you chew fresh ginger, the active compounds are absorbed directly by the body without alteration or degradation. It's like you're getting a direct dose of health. However, for those who find it too strong, there are other ways that are just as healthy. Ginger in tea. Who doesn't like a good cup of tea? Adding ginger to tea is a delicious way to enjoy all its benefits. Just boil a few slices of ginger in water, and voila, you have a healthy and tasty tea. Ginger in your food. Add ginger to your favorite recipes. Grate some fresh ginger and add it to your soups, salads, or even your meat or chicken. The taste is wonderful, and the benefits are undeniable. Different recipes. You can also make your own ginger shot. How do you make your ginger shot? Ingredients: 1 piece of fresh ginger, approx 2 centimeters. Juice of 1 lemon, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 pinch of cayenne pepper, optional. Directions: first, peel and grate the ginger. Second, mix the grated ginger with the lemon juice and honey. Third, add cayenne pepper if desired. Fourth, stir well and consume immediately. Or you can make a green breakfast smoothie with ginger. Ingredients: 1 cabbage leaf, 1 piece of fresh ginger, approximately 2 centimeters, 1 green apple, juice of 1 orange, 1 cucumber, 1 tablespoon of chia, 200 milliliters of coconut water. Directions: first, wash all the ingredients well. Second, peel and grate the ginger. Third, put the kale, ginger, chopped green apple, orange juice, cucumber, chia, and coconut water in a blender. Fourth, blend until the mixture is smooth. Fifth, serve immediately because you'll be bloated from the chia. Did you like the tips? Then leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with those people you know who like to know more about healthy foods. And if you're not in the habit of using ginger, I dare you to include it in your diet for a week and share the results in the comments. Including ginger in your daily diet can improve your health. It's simple, tasty, and super healthy. And if you already use it, leave your comments and experiences with ginger and your favorite recipes in the comments. And always remember to consult a health professional for personalized advice, especially if you have pre-existing medical conditions. And what's the next video you're going to watch? I'll leave you with 2 recommendations. My video on the air fryer, The Truth No One Told You. Is it really healthy? And my playlist of the best foods for health, including olive oil, rosemary, turmeric, garlic, and beet. If you're a fan of this kind of content, you'll love it. I hope the information has been useful and inspiring. May God bless us with health and life. Thank you for following me to the end of this video. Let's promote everyone's well-being together. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. See you in the next video. Thank you very much.